every one of us wants to be a perfect communicator, may it be in terms of writing and speaking. But whenever we make mistakes in the course of our communication, we really feel troubled, and in turn we trouble our listeners and readers as well. Nobody wants that to happen. Do you want it to happen? Don't worry. If you make errors and mistakes in your communication, we are there to help you out. In this video, we will learn about those 8 common errors which often English learners make while communicating their ideas to others. And we have to make sure that we will not repeat such mistakes in future. So let's learn them one by one. So in this video, we are going to learn about 8 common mistakes in English which English learners often do, and they are not conscious of that. Why? Because they don't know the facts and technicalities. So let us do them one by one. First, father-in-laws or fathers-in-law. Now whenever we make the plural form of a compound noun, most of the times we have that proximity error. Do you know what is the proximity error? The word which is at the last, the s has been added to it and they change it into father-in-laws. But they forget that a plural is always of a common noun, not of an abstract noun. Law, that is justice, is an abstract noun. Father is a common noun and the plurals are always of common nouns. So which one would be correct here? Fathers-in-law rather than father-in-laws. Second, the police is investigating the matter. What could be the error in this sentence? The police is investigating the matter. Yeah, the error is in this part, the verb. Instead of verb is, are would come. Now everybody would be surprised. Why are? Because the police is always taken as plural. We talk about the police as the police officers. All the police officers come into this category. But whenever we talk about a singular, we say the policeman. So whenever the police is there, we use are, we use were, or else any plural verb like have, do, run. All the plural forms of verb will be used with the word the police, not the singular verbs. Let us look at next example. One of my friends have gone there. Again, the error of proximity. Proximity means whatever word is lying close, we make an error according to that. So the error is of proximity. We look at the word friends and we choose a plural verb, that is have, but that is wrong. We have to talk about, in this particular subject, one of my friends. I am talking about only one friend. Out of all my friends, I am talking about only one. So a singular verb will be used. Has is the correct. One of my friends has gone there. Let us look at another example. None of my friends are coming. So again, in this particular unit, subject, none of my friends. Again, there is a proximity error we are doing. We are just putting are, looking at the word friends, but we forget that none stands for no one. No one. So again, we have to use is here instead of are. None of my friends is coming. I do not know. Why are you sad? Now what is wrong in this sentence? I do not know. Why are you sad? That is the most common error the students and English learners make while making a complex sentence. This is the example of a complex sentence because there is a presence of a subordinating conjunction, that is why. Now, when I just divided it into 2 parts, why are you sad? That becomes a question. Why are you sad? So, when we make a question, we place helping verb before the subject. That is, are is before the subject. But when we make it as a part of a sentence, the process gets reversed. Why you are sad? So, you will be placed before and are will be afterwards. So, the right structure would be, I do not know why you are sad. So are, that is the helping verb, would follow after the subject you. So make sure every time you make a question, you put helping verb before the subject. Every time you make it as a clause, as a part of a sentence, you always put helping verb after the subject. That is why it stands for an affirmative. It changes from a question to an affirmative sentence, that is a positive statement. Let us look at another example. Either of the books are good. Now either of the books, whenever this particular word either comes here, this is a pronoun here, either of the books. When we are comparing two books, then we say that. So out of two, either of the books, any one, either stands for any one. So either of the books, when we are talking about any one, so we use is, not are. So don't go by this word books and make this error. So is will be correct here. Next, there and there, that's a common mistake which often we unconsciously make it, and later on we realize also we have done it. But be sure that this is not correct here. THERE stands for a place, but I am talking about someone's possession here. Possession means their house. So I am talking about possession, so I will use a possessive pronoun, that is their. So their house is near to ours. Our school is there on the hill. In this particular sentence, I am talking about a place. So I will use THERE, there. So that is how that there and there have a thin line difference and often make errors while usage. I went there. So I will use THERE. This house is theirs. So I will use THEIRS. Their house is near to ours, so I will use THEIR. So remember the differences, learn these errors and never make mistakes in using them. So that's all about today, and hope to meet you soon with a new video, with a new topic. Stay tuned with us till then and keep watching our videos. Subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon and get all the updates about our future videos. Thank you for watching.